The last thing we're going to do as part of our financial planning course is put together a personal financial plan. A personal financial plan is a written document that helps you determine where you are, where you want to go, and how you're going to get there. So let's first take a look at what the pieces that you're going to have to put into your financial plan. Where are you at? How do you determine your current situation? Early in this class, we talked about balance sheets, budgets, and cash flow statements. Your balance sheet tells you where you are. Your cash flow statement or your budget, your current budget, are going to show you where you're spending your money. That should tell you where you're at. Then you need to set goals. There's a minimum of 4 goals I'd like you to address as part of your financial plan. I'd like you to look at a savings goal, a housing goal, a retirement goal, and an insurance goal. These goals should be some short-term, some intermediate term, and some long-term. A savings goal might be as simple as determining an amount you want to have for an emergency savings account and when you want to have that amount saved up. Your housing goal could be a goal to have your house paid off. It could be a savings goal to set up a down payment for a house. Your retirement goal should include how much you want to receive in retirement. Along with that, you're going to have to determine a lump sum to figure out how much you want to save to get to that point. Your insurance goal could be something as simple as raising a deductible from $250 to $500 or even $1,000 at some point in the future. It could be increasing the amount of insurance you currently have. We've talked about several different types of insurance. You might want to increase your life insurance. You might want to raise the deductible on your auto insurance or your homeowners or your renter's insurance. So once you've determined what these goals are, you've set the goals, we need to develop a plan on how to achieve those goals. This is where your time value of money is going to come in real handy. How much do you have, when you look back at your budget, to put toward your goal? How soon do you want to achieve that goal? Now, one of the things you need to look at while you're determining how to get there is your risk assessment. We talked a little bit about risk assessment. Remember, the greater risk you're willing to take, the greater potential return you can obtain on your investments. Some of you don't want to take a lot of risk. If you want to stay with savings, that's fine. Take a look at your risk assessment and determine what type of savings or investment would be appropriate for you. Once you've went through your risk assessment, developed a plan on how much you need to save to achieve your goals, you need to look back at your budget. Some of you are going to realize that your goals are too lofty. There's not enough money in your budget to achieve all the goals when you wanted to achieve them. That's fine. In your conclusion, talk about how you need to change your goals. Changing your goals might mean extending the time. It might mean putting less money into a goal than you originally planned on, which will, again, extend the timeline on that goal. It's okay to change your goals. You don't need to redo your whole financial plan, but in your conclusion, take a look at that. The last step in the financial planning process is to review and revise your financial plan. Once you've developed this financial plan, save it. In a couple years or a year, go back and look at it. Your goals will have changed. Your current situation will have changed. That would be a great opportunity to dig this financial plan out, revise those goals, and then set a new financial plan. Put it in progress and continue to do that until you've achieved financial success. I'll take a look at your financial plans, email them to me, and I'll give you some feedback. Hope you've enjoyed this class. Hope you enjoy working on your financial plan, and hope it helps you achieve financial success.